see sauce and veggies piled so high, rice and